Welcome back to Simply Filters. Did you know that smoke from wildfires doesn't just stay outdoors? Even if you're inside, tiny particles can sneak in and impact your health. Here's how to stay protected. Wildfire smoke contains tiny particles called PM 2.5. They're so small that they can get deep into your lungs, irritate your eyes, and worsen allergies or asthma. I'm Miranda, and let's see what you can do to reduce exposure indoors. To start, use quality air filters. HEPA filters trap smoke particles that regular filters can't catch. Next, seal your home. Close windows and doors and block gaps to prevent smoky air from coming in. Also, limit indoor smoke. Avoid burning candles, fireplaces, or incense when wildfire smoke is present. And last but not least, monitor air quality. Check apps or websites for your local AQI, Air Quality Index, so you know when to take extra precautions. Even if the smoke outside is thick, taking these steps help ensure the air you and your family breathe indoors stays clean and safe. If you know someone who lives near wildfires, send this to them so they can benefit too. And come back, because next time we're talking about simple changes for seasonal depression. See you there.